Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will see how to use project codes in Oracle Primavera Basics. So as you know, project codes are applied to the projects. So we will see the same thing in the software with an example, and the example is this one. Okay, so this is the example. The project code name is country, and we have project code values as three countries: India, England, and America. So you'll know about this when we work on the software. So this is the example. So I'll open the software. So now we are on the project window. As you can see, now we are on the project window. If you're not able to see means just close this. I'll just close it. And maybe if you are seeing a blank window means just go to enterprise, then go to projects. So you'll see that window. As you know, we have here in the project list, we have a number of projects which is grouped based on the department. So if I expand engineering and construction, you can see number of projects under E&C. In the same way, under energy we have number of projects. Again, in the same way, under manufacturing we have number of projects. So what you understand from this is the projects are basically grouped based on departments, right? If you right click somewhere over here, if you go to group and sort by, see here the projects are grouped based on EPS. That is what it means. So now let us see how to create a project code, and always remember project codes are applied to this window. Okay, so I'll go to enterprise, then I'll go to project codes. Got it right? So you'll see this kind of a window. Here you will have to click on modify, and on this dialog box you'll have to click on add. So here you can see, here you need to rename it. So as I told you the project code name is country, and project code values are IN for India, UK for England, and USA for America. So I'll just remember this. I'll minimize it. I'll go to the software. Again, I'll go to enterprise, project codes. Here, yeah, that time we clicked on modify, right? The same thing. So I'll again go to modify. Just delete it now. I'll do it again. So I'll go to enterprise. I'll go to project codes. Here on this dialog box, click on modify, and here click on add. So just rename it to country. Got it? Just rename it to country. Then click on save and close. So which you added there will appear here in this drop down. Can you see that? Country is here. So click on it. Now you need to add three values. As I told you, India, America, and England. Just add it here. So 1, 2, 3. Here in the code value, you can type some ID or something like that. I'll go with the IN for India, UK for England, USA for America. So I'll save and close it now. So why did I do that? Now, now comes the actual story. So just look at these projects. I'm just considering the projects under E and C. Just these six projects. I'll consider only these six projects. So just imagine that these projects are taking place in different countries. Like The first one in India, the second one in England, and the third one is in America, and the fourth one in India, like that. Got it right? So I'll now assign the project codes that I created just now. So for the first project, I'll highlight it, then I'll go to codes here in the project details tab, codes here. You can see that, right? So click on codes, then click on assign. Here, the one which we created just now appears. Got it right? The project code country is there, the project code name, and these are the project code values. So India I'll assign. For the second one, I'll assign England. And for the third one, I'll assign America. And fourth one, I'll assign India. Fifth one, India. And sixth one, England. So the meaning of this is this project is taking place in India and this one in England, so on. So now what? Now I want to group it based on the country the project is happening in or taking place in. So now what I'll do is I'll right click here, somewhere over here, then I'll go to group and sort by. Then these are some of the project codes already available in the software, but the one that I created will be in the customize option. So click on it, just make this dialog box bigger so that you can see this option. As I told you, by default the projects will be grouped based on different departments or APS. So click on it, then search for country which we created just now. So it is here. Then click on apply. Okay. So as you can see here, we just assigned only for the first 6 projects those 3 countries, like different countries. So we can see under India which are the projects are going on, under England which are the projects going on, in America which is the project is getting taken place. Got it right? So for the other projects I did not assign any of the codes, project codes, so it is grouped differently, like no country. So this is how project code works. So you can use different type of project codes in this same way, in the same way. So I hope you understood the concept of project codes, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.